This is a 2013 Chevrolet Impala. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, 4-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 41,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.